This is a demo of the Anypoint Data Gateway, a new product by MuleSoft. I'm going to start by creating a gateway. I'm creating an SAP gateway to expose SAP data as an OData service that can then be consumed by the new Platform Connect product in Salesforce. Now I'm associating this gateway to the MuleSoft Cloud Hub infrastructure. I'll be deploying it there. One cool optional feature is that I can create a VPN connection between my Cloud Hub account and my on-prem environment, so I can have seamless integration between my data source on-prem and Salesforce. Here you can see I'm configuring my SAP data source. It's just a few fields of information, and now I'm going to authenticate to ensure secure communication, and I'm good to go. Now I'm creating my gateway, which is essentially deploying it on that Cloud Hub infrastructure. Now that I have my SAP OData service, what can I do with it? I can start by navigating the SAP database tables. Here I'm going to search for the sales order table, and since VBAP isn't really understandable, I'm going to actually give it a name that will carry through as we integrate to Salesforce so that people can understand what it is. Now I'm going to look through the fields that are part of this database table. You can see in the leftmost column that those are pretty technical names. They're also illegible, or they're hard to understand, right, because they're abbreviations. What we've done is we've also brought in the middle column the concept of display name, or in Salesforce terms, labels, right? Ways to easily identify more technical information. In some cases, in the right column, you'll also see that we have sample data. That actually gives the user a feel for data format before they integrate the data or have to use it in the context of Salesforce. Now I'm going to create the object, and it's become a part of my gateway. Now let's take a look at this in Salesforce. One of the best features of this product is that we actually automate the configuration of a gateway right into Salesforce. So you as a user never have to do any manual configuration, and it reduces the error and maintenance of these gateways as external sources. Similarly, you can easily sync your objects right into Salesforce. Now let's take a look at this in practice. First, I'm going to search for all objects that have 3250 associated to it. As you can see, I first have a standard Salesforce object, but I also had some external objects show up there. Now I'm going to look at an SAP sales order. And as we see here, we have SAP sales order data live in Canvas. This is coming real time from my OData feed. I can also create tabs and custom views within those tabs to associate to the external object just as a custom object. All of this within a matter of minutes, live on an SAP data source.